Hello, everybody. My name is Jaden Lucky Jr. Falataba, and I am here to do more Blender. So first off, I've been learning how to do character modeling. I'm not gonna bore you guys with something really hard. I'm just gonna create a stickman. So let me very quickly add a sphere. This will serve as the stickman's head. And I'm also going to add a cube. This cube, once I scale it, it will be representing the body. Oopsie. Alright. That's the body itself. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the arms. So let's just Control C, Control V. Rotate. Make this smaller. Normally there would be a method for us to mirror it like this, so it would be easier. But I don't know, I guess something's wrong with the mirror because everything I've tried so far just does not work. I previously mirrored in the past, but something's wrong with the modifier, I guess, so I can't use mirror right now. So I'm gonna have to do it manually and the old-fashioned way. Alright, let's fix this up real quick. Building a stickman like this does not take a lot of time, but if you want to go really deep, like use eyes, stuff like that, I suggest making the sphere a lot bigger and also making everything bigger so you can add more detail. But for me, I'm just creating a simple stickman. It's not going to be that hard. You'll see I'm gonna leave a gap there for the shoulders. You will see why, because there's a tool that I can use later. Now I rotate again, so it's like an exact copy. Okay, this may have been a little uncentered, so let's move both of this at the same sync so it'll be a lot easier. See, that went pretty well. I think this one's a little too rotated though. Now I move it even more closer. That was easy. Now, wait, this one needs to be fixed up. Now I'm not gonna create the legs just yet. I'm gonna go into edit mode first. Now I'm gonna go to click this. This is the select mode. I'm gonna select the faces, so it's easier for me to do what I'm about to do. I'm gonna now click extrude. This will allow me to basically create an extra cube out of nowhere, but it will look a lot more tidier. Since it looks very weird if it's just straight, it doesn't look like you have a shoulder. I'm going to rotate it. So there it is. That's how I sort of make a shoulder. Oh yeah, after that, for some reason in my laptop, I have to do this. It's kind of weird, but once you realize the problem, it's really easy. Okay, now I just do the exact same thing, extrude. And rotate. Alright, now if I go back to object mode and I click this, head back to edit mode, I can now select everything in there. Also, always adjust the camera. It's really important to do so. Now I subdivide, and I subdivide again. I think that should be enough. Now, if I were to simply create the legs, it will look pretty weird at first. So let's extrude again. This will make it look more, how do I say it? Let's just say it will look better, eh? It looks weird when I rotate it. Alright. So that's how you make a basic stickman. If we go to a previous file that I had, I'm gonna save this for now. Save it in here. And now if I open a previous file that I have made over here, you can see I also made another stickman, but it's not as great. But this is the character I also had to make. This is a, I don't know, whatever this is. This is a fox or something. This body is a lot more complicated. From what I remember, I need to select something like this. Mash. It was either this, and then I do something else after that. I kind of forgot how to make the body, but it's something like that, basically. Plus, a simple UV sphere will also cover for it. Everything else that I've done here, it's a lot of extruding. It's a lot of beveling. A lot of different stuff that I haven't shown you yet. Loop cut. There's basically a lot. I think, and I also think it might be this one. Okay, let's stop right there. I think that's it. I don't think I need to share anything else. Thank you very much for listening to me yap for a long time.